Greetings everyone, my friends. Welcome to a new video. Today we will participate in the EOF World pre-sale with you. This pre-sale is happening on the Bybit WebThree side. It is not happening directly on the Bybit exchange. I will be talking about the details one by one, so please don't forget to watch the video from the beginning to the end. If you wish, let's move quickly to our video without wasting any time. First of all, I would like to start with a small reminder. We produce a lot of educational, instructive, and money-making content for you. If you want to see more of this content, you can support us by subscribing to our channel. Now let's quickly move on to our pre-sale. What we said, this pre-sale is happening on the Bybit WebThree side. So we will log in to Bybit, friends. After logging in, we see a screen like this. Of course, I am saying this assuming you are logged in. If you still do not have a Bybit account, you can create your Bybit account by taking advantage of our commission discounted link that I left in the heavy part of the description, and you will also benefit from the advantages. Then such a screen appeared in front of you. We come to the WebThree section at the top and click on Bybit Wallet. Then we were going to participate in the pre-sale in return for such a screen. Already here, we come across the Direct AOFVerse pre-sale. But for my friends who do not appear, you can also view this video by clicking on the IDO section from the top left. Let's take a look at the performances of past IDOs, that is, pre-sales. When we scroll down, there is GT Protocol Friends. GT Protocol is not listed at the moment. The pre-sale ends in a few days. So Snapchats are taken and tickets are distributed, friends. Then the winners make their purchases. We'll be able to view that later. But when we scroll down, Muneb, Vapor Wallet as you can see, made 1,100%. Muneb made 732%. Inspect made 2000%. We can say that Bybit Web has had some really good pre-sales. So we will try our luck in this pre-sale, friends. Don't think that it doesn't work. You need to try. Try and try and try. One day it will surely come out, friends. So try to participate in these pre-sales beautifully without any pessimism. By the way, our video is an award-winning video. 2 friends who like the video subscribe to our channel and RT the tweet in the fixed comment earn 300 TL per person from us. Now let's look at the details of our pre-sale. I'm clicking on the details here. Of course, if we translate it into Turkish, you will be able to understand it better. I translated it into Turkish. Then AOFVerse says our pre-sale continues. 3 days and an hour later, Snapchat, the period of taking snapshots, will begin. So we have a 3-day period to meet the conditions. Before meeting the conditions, we need to click on the subscribe section on the right, friends. So we need to participate in this pre-sale. Since I have already registered before, you come here. You click on the yellow button here and create your registration, friends. What do we need to do afterwards? This pre-sale is on the Arbitrum VAN network. So we're throwing $250 worth of USDT to the Arbitrum network, and during the snapshot period, we keep our $250 in our Bybit WebThree wallet, friends. So we hold it. Snapchat is taken 3 times a day. If you want to participate in this pre-sale after throwing money to WebThree, you definitely do not withdraw the 250 USDT until the pre-sale is over. That is, until the snapshot period is over. I will also explain how you can withdraw it later and how you can send the 250 USDT to the Arbitrum VAN network. But I want to talk a little bit about the details. The total number of winning tickets was 150, friends. The redemption amount, that is, the redemption amount per person for the winning tickets is 200 USDT. Right now there are 8,520 participants in total. Tickets are really few. But as I said, if these tickets are issued to you in EDOS on the Bybit WebThree side, it can make you really good profits, friends. So, I think we have to try our luck. Let's go down now. He talked about the draw period, he talked about the buyback period. Of course, the most important part for us here is the snapshot period. It starts on the 27th and ends on the 30th, friends. It starts at 13 and ends at 13. This is how you can understand it. We have a 3-day period. Within 3 days, we can throw our 250 USDT and participate in the pre-sale. We also have extras. For example, we can have a ticket after completing these steps, but you can increase your chances by increasing the number of tickets by completing the tasks you see on the side. Friends, Bybit says to reach a net deposit of at least $100 from your account. This gives you 0.6 tickets. You can earn 0.3 tickets by staking at least $300 worth of extra tokens, so these are added on top of your 1 ticket. I want to emphasize that have at least $200 worth of stablecoins in your Bybit wallet and get 0.2 tickets. But you need to have these $200 of stablecoin in the optimization network. Our last task is that if you came to this video after registering to Bybit in the description AR section, that is, if you are a new user, you can earn 0.4 tickets, friends. You just need to be a new user without doing anything. I think we understand the details of the presale. As I said, we have a 3-day process. To deposit 250 USDT, then the snapshot period begins. It starts on the 27th. It ends on the 30th. I think the lottery period lasted an hour, friends. In fact, it lasted 15 minutes. It starts at 13 o'clock. At 13:15, the lottery period ends, so the winners are announced. Then the winning tickets had to use their purchase rights within a day. I can explain it like this. Now let's move on to how we can throw these 250 USDT to the Arbitrum Van network. First of all, we click on the Bybit wallet section, friends. Here we enter our Bybit wallet. What did we say? This video takes place on the Arbitrum network, so we come to the Arbitrum Van network. From here we come to the USDT section. Of course, you can also type USDT in the token search field. I did, and then I click on deposit, and this is my USDT deposit address right now, guys. So I can deposit USDT to this address as I wish. Of course, we're going to deposit on the Arbitrum network. Let's not forget that. I'm going to show you how to deposit on Binance, so I'm on Binance, guys. Immediately after entering Binance, I come to my wallet, I click on the wallet summary, and I see a screen like this. Of course, we will click on withdrawal. Then it asks for the coin I want to deposit. After selecting USDT, I enter the address I just copied here. After entering it, it asks us for A. What did we say? We do it through the Arbitrum One network. By the way, Arbitrum One network is really cheap, friends. Sometimes these videos also happen on the Ethereum network. Some of our friends could not participate because of gas fees, that is, commission fees. But the Arbitrum network is really cheap. In the meantime, I will also show you how to throw Ethereum, because you will need Ethereum when you withdraw your USDT from Bybit and push to pay the commission fee. So it will also be beneficial for you to throw $2 or $3 of Ethereum. Then I choose A. As you can see, I also chose the Arbitrum One network. The total A fee was $1. Then I withdraw my $252 USDT by clicking the withdraw button, and so my money is transferred to Arbitrum One network, friends. So how can I withdraw Ethereum? Because when you want to withdraw your 250 USDT from here, it will ask you for Ethereum as a commission fee. To do this, we immediately type Ethereum here. It is already directly in front of us. We click on your investment and get our address. We copy this address. All addresses are already the same. But I show it this way so you don't get confused. You do it this way. And keep your mind at ease, friends. I copied my address from here. After copying my address, I immediately return to Binance again. After returning to Binance, I change the USDT here to Ethereum. And then I enter my address. And I choose Arbitrum One network again as the withdrawal A. And so I throw a couple of dollars of Ethereum so that I can pay the commission fee when I withdraw my money from Bybit and push, friends. You can also send $2 or $3 of Ethereum in this way for the commission fee. I don't think it will cost $2 or $3, but you send it just in case. After all, this is your money. It's your money even if it stays there. It is your money even if you withdraw it. For this reason, there will be no problem. This is how we met the conditions in our pre-sale. As I said, you can increase your ticket here. Then you need to come here and register. I already mentioned this at the beginning of the video. The snapshot period starts in 3 days. The draw starts on the 30th. It lasts 15 minutes, and it becomes clear whether you have won or not. Then the take-back. If you win, you need to get the amount you won within a day. I can explain it like this. So what is our project? AOFVerse. Friends, AOFVerse is a metaverse game project. I researched them a little bit. In fact, when we come to their Twitter, we can see that they have 92,000 followers. When we scroll down, their interactions are very nice, as you can see. 100,000 views. When I scroll down, of course, others are sharing them. 30,000 views. They have really high interactions. So there are people playing this game. Friends, let's go inside the project and take a look at them. This game is supported by App Store, by the way. You can download this game. When you click play now, it directly transfers you to the App Store. And you can download this game from the App Store. Of course, this game has many features. I honestly think you can even earn coins, because I read a few things. You could earn coins. Friends, when we scroll down, we can see the teaser of the game. When we go further down, the details are mentioned. Friends. So it's a game project, but it's a game project on the metaverse. I think it can be hype. Usually the tokens of game projects can come to really good places when they are first listed. Below are their partners, friends. We can see Arbitrum here. Then, when we go further down, they say which media they have news in. They made news in places like Binance, like CoinDesk, so their names have been mentioned, friends. It is a project that Arbitrum is also behind. So the project can come to good places in the first place. I don't know how it will be later because I haven't fully researched the project. I didn't have the opportunity to look at the toonami, but if you want such a video, I can prepare such a video for you. This is how we could participate in our pre-sale, friends. You can specify your questions in the comments section. I will be answering all your questions without exception. Do not forget to support us by subscribing to our channel. See you in our next video. Goodbye.